brand new one. So one of our cameras has gone flat, so we're down to this camera, which kind of makes it a little bit better. Only using one camera means I can sort of move around a little. So this is going to get a wheel alignment, so I'm not too worried about how many turns. I've just got to get it roughly to where it is now. Otherwise I'd mark it on here, count how many turns off, but still going to count how many turns off, just so when I put the new one on I do the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, about 4. A little bit of grease. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this should be about a quarter of it, 3/4 of a turn. So it should go right there. So this is our old one. Completely destroyed. New one's on. We'll put the tyre back on. And we'll drop this side off the jack stand. And we'll go to the other side, hopefully before the camera goes flat.